One of the things that I'm definitely seeing now that everybody's paying attention to the Fu Shou is that you have a Fu Shou that helps you get the needle in. The index and thumb of your Fu Shou help the skin, held the skin, and then they're trying to do the technique with just these two fingers. Okay? And they're locked and they're rigid because they were nervous about the insertion. So now it's like, relax. Relax your Fu Shou. You get it in. And I always talk about don't change anything. That doesn't mean don't change your Fu Shou. That doesn't mean don't change anything. It's just don't let go of the needle, walk around that room, come back, something else like that. You've got it in there. Relax, adjust, guide. But if you're finding that you're having trouble getting particularly warmth, it's because in this narrowing, your Lao Gong has no way to communicate easily. I mean, if you were like leaking out heat, then it's not going to make that much of a difference. But if you're leaking out that much heat, imagine how much more that would do. Take advantage of it. So really pay attention to that. You've got it in, and then relax your Fu Shou. Don't look down and realize that this is exactly as it was on entry. And you're busy doing things, and this is just like, it's like arthritic. Yeah, it's getting really close to politically incorrect today. So fix that. The thumb squeeze from the insertion, index thumb squeeze. Okay, needling fingers. Fu Shou number 1, abdomen number 2, head number 3. It sounds like the needling hand's the least important. It is, however, it's also one hand. Please, once we get over the whole Fu Shou, Ju Shou, please understand that the two of them are one unit working together to create a sensation. This is not yin and yang. This is the Tai Chi symbol. The Tai Chi symbol is made up of what we identify as two things, but there's not two things stuck together like two magnets. Like this is not the yang magnet stuck to the yin magnet. This is one thing, okay? In fact, the best way to look at this is if you were to picture yang as a full circle and yin as a full circle, completely filled. This is filled with yin behind this yang. And this dot is someone took an eraser and erased a bit of the yang you could see, and you could see the yin underneath it. And if I was to erase that yin underneath it, I would see some more yang and some more yin, and versa vice here. And so this is accentuating here. This is more dominant to your eye, and that's more dominant to your eye, but both are the one ocean of what you are seeing, and it's to remind you, okay? So, the Ju Shou, or needling, as I'm doing the channel traveling, my fingers are very dynamically moving. And so, as I insert, my index and thumb finger are going to extend out. So I'm going to go from this bent picture to into the body. And then as I pull the needle out for channel draining or something, it's going to bend this way. So now I have my whole body, my head, and these fingers shifting up and down. They're not locked. They're not just like, hold needle, move, body. Okay? It's everything is fluid. And so it's like almost like a squid swimming. You must practice the 8-tentacled squid finger technique. All right? That didn't work. Okay, we'll let that one go. That will not make the next seminar. So, okay, all right, oh, good, And up and down. And then my body, my head, but everything is very fluid.